students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Hello children, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dada. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn an English story of standard 5th and the title is The 12 Months. Yes, dear students, The 12 Months is a Russian fairy tale collected by Georgius A. Megas in Folk Tales of Greece. Once upon a time, in a faraway country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. One was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Marokla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. Got this? This is the starting of the story. Marokla, see, she is a mother. This one is Marokla, the stepdaughter, and this is Helena, the own daughter. Okay? Marokla had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving and sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. The mother and the daughter, they are envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. So they send her out in the harsh cold to bring violets for them. First day she brings the violets, then again they send to bring the strawberries, and afterwards they send again to bring apples for them in the very cold season. Each time the 12 months in the forest, they helped Marokla to find the flowers, strawberries and the apples. Surprised at how Marokla is able to find the things, Helena and her mother go out themselves and are lost forever. This is the story of the 12 months. I told you the summary of this story. The story is little big of 4 pages. Students, please read this story 2 to 3 times and underline the hard words and get the meanings from the dictionary. Okay, some meanings I will tell you. Word meanings. Here, adorning. Adorning means beautifying or decorating. See, this boy is decorating the Christmas tree. This is called adorning. Okay. Rated. Rated means judged or valued, measured. Means we give rating to the any skit or any film, that is called rated. Okay. Abused. Abused means troubled or harassed. Here in this story, Morokla was harassed by her stepmother and her sister. See this starlets. Starlets means strawberry blossoms or flowers. You can see in the picture. The real meaning is starlet means superstars or celebrities. Okay. Delicious. You know this. Delicious means tasty. Here we will move to the exercise part. Here read the words. Write the words that combine to make each of them. You can see here 6 words are given. They are from that story, the 12 months. Okay. Stepmother, footprint, Snow White, springtime, gentle-hearted and anywhere. You see here that the words are combined words because here 2 words are combined to make these words. We will see one by one. Okay, first one is stepmother. How it formed? Step plus mother. It became stepmother. See, the meaning of step and the meaning of mother is different from the meaning of stepmother. Got this? Next one, foot plus print. We use footprint. This is a combined word and it has different meaning with that of foot and print. Next one is snow plus white gives Snow White. Spring plus time gives springtime. Got this, children? Means the real meaning is different of both the words and the new word formed is with different meaning. Gentle plus hearted gives gentle-hearted. Gentle-hearted means very kind. Any plus where gives anywhere. Okay. Here, write other meaningful words that begin and end with. See, stepmother word is given. The starting word is step and the second word is mother. Now they ask us to make 3 more, minimum 3 words from the step. First word is step. We will make 3 more words with the step. See, step wise. We will move stepwise. How we say? We will do the maths stepwise. Correct? Second one, step ladder. Next is stepson. How we say stepdaughter? Like that, stepson. Got this, children? Means we made 3 words starting from step. Now we will move to the next word, that is mother. Again we will make 3 more words that starts from mother. Yeah, mother we will use and we will make 3 words that begin with mother. Motherland. Our motherland is India. Motherhood. Then motherless. Motherless means a child with no mother. Got this, children? One more word we will use. Anywhere. Here first word is any and the second word is where. Now dear students, we will use any and we will make three words that begin with any. First one, anyone. Okay. Second, we can do like this, anyway. Then anyhow. Got this, students? We will move to where now. Okay. We will write where and we will make three words that starts from where. Wherever. Okay. Second one, whereas. Third, whereabouts. Like this, we have to make the words that begin with or that ends with the given words. Next, this is the grammar part, nouns. You know that the meaning of noun. Noun is a word that represents a person, a place, a thing or idea. Correct? The name of the person, the name of a thing, name of a place. These are all called nouns. Okay, first. Yes, students, we know that a noun is a person or a place or an animal or a thing. Correct? Now we will go through some of the examples here. Person, girl, boy, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, Mrs. Jones, etc. These are all the names of different persons. So they are nouns. Now we will move to the places, that is school, home, playground, zoo, Mumbai, etc. are the names of the places. So these are also nouns. Now we will see about the animal names. For example, dog, bee, frog, cow, lizard, etc. Correct? They are also noun words. The next one is things. Yes, books, flowers, shoe, pencil, purse, bag, all these names of the things are nothing but nouns. Yes, now we know that what are nouns. Now we will find out the nouns from the story. Okay. Now find nouns from the story. Nouns from the story here. Mother, correct? This is the name of the person. March, name of the month. Summer, name of the season. Apples, name of the fruits. Boys, again person. Brother, again person. Forest, this is the name. Fire, you know that thing, it is wind, again thing. Father, name of the person. Got this, students? Here these all are the nouns we selected from the story. Some more nouns are there in the story. Please try to list them out. Now answer the following questions. First question. Why did Marokla's stepmother hate her? Yes, you know the answer, right? Here the answer is Marokla's stepmother hated her because she was prettier than her own daughter Helena. Isn't it? She was more prettier than her daughter named Helena. Question number 2. In what season does the story take place? Answer. The story takes place in winter. Correct? We'll move to the third question. Does Morukla get any of the things she brings? Yes, dear children, you know that she brought violet flowers, then strawberries and then red apples, isn't it? Any of these things she got? Answer. No, Marukla does not get any of the things she brings. Correct? Question number 4. What did Helena and her mother want Marukla to get from the forest for them? Yes. What all they asked to bring from the forest? The answer is Helena and her mother wanted Marukla to get violets, strawberries and red apples from the forest for them. Isn't it? Okay, we'll move to the next. Fifth question. Which all months helped Marukla? You know the story, right? Here different months they help Marukla. Correct? Now we'll write the answer. January, March, June and September helped Marukla. Correct? Next question. Why do Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves? Yes, now at last they don't ask Marukla to go out, but themselves they go out in the snow. Why? The answer. Helena thinks that Marukla has eaten some apples on her way home and would do so again if she was sent out once more. So Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves to find the place and shake down all the apples from the tree. Isn't it? Yes, dear children, we'll move to the one more question. Seventh, why is Great January annoyed with Helena and her mother? This is the first question. Second, does he help them? Okay, we'll try to write the answer here. First question is, why is Great January annoyed with Helena and her mother? Answer, the 12 months were sitting round a big fire. Helena and her mother stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them, without asking permission or speaking one polite word. When Great January asked them what they wanted, Helena called him an old fool and asked him why he wanted to know this. Helena's mother told him that it was no business of his. Seeing their behavior and speech, Great January was annoyed with them. Yes, this is the answer for first question. And what is the second question? Does he help them? No. He was annoyed, isn't it? So he does not help them. Correct? The next question is, describe the following with the help of the story. Yes, here we have the subject winter, springtime and summer. This we have to describe. Okay, according to the story, that is 12 months. We'll go through one by one. See dear children, this is the picture of winter, isn't it? We can see snow here, right? Okay. Winter is one of the 4 seasons and the coldest time of the year. The days are shorter and the nights are longer. Winter comes after autumn and before spring. Yes, according to the seasons, there are 4 seasons. In India, we count only 3 seasons like summer, winter and rainy. But in other countries, they count as 4 seasons, that is winter, summer, autumn and spring. Okay, this is winter, the coldest time of the year. See here, according to the story, in winter the sky is dark, snow falls and icy winds blow. Sometimes the snow falls in such huge masses that a person cannot even see one step ahead. It is bitterly cold and gloomy. Okay. Now we will move to the other subject, that is the spring time. Right? Here we can see the picture, that is springtime means flowering time. Okay. Spring is one of the 4 temperate seasons following winter and preceding summer. In Hindi we call that one as Vasanta Ritu. Okay. Now we will try to understand according to the story. According to this story, here we can describe the springtime like this. During spring, the snow begins to melt, the trees begin to flower, and the ground is covered with grass. Small flowers like the violet begin to bloom, and it looks as if a colorful cloth has been spread on the ground. Here we can see in the picture, right? Very beautiful scene because it's a springtime, correct? The next one is, yes, this is summer, right? Hot sun, they are enjoying on the beach. Okay. Here, summer, it is the hottest of the 4 temperate seasons, falling after spring and before autumn. The date of the beginning of summer varies according to climate, tradition and culture. Yes, here you can see a hot sun, correct? And cold things or cold beverages, ice creams, juices, etc. To make our body cool, we consume these all, isn't it? And now we will try to understand according to the story. Okay. Here, when we describe the summer according to the story, we can say that by the time summer starts, the snow has already melted. The ground is covered with grass and the trees are covered with leaves. The birds begin to sing. The forest is full of all kinds of flowers and fruits like strawberries. Yes, means we can get a lot of strawberries in this summer, right? Thank you students for being with me. Okay dear students, again I tell you to read the story 1 or 2 times and try to tell the story to your younger brother or sister. Okay? Then she or he will also become happy to listen that fairy tale. Okay, take care and stay home, stay safe.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.